hearing loss is one of the most prevalent medical conditions in the world and one of the least treated. Now, children get very good service and good treatment, but for adults and seniors, hearing loss often goes untreated or undertreated. And particularly now that there is more data showing how important good hearing is as people age for productivity, to avoid depression, and particularly for cognition. Our strategy is all about raising awareness and raising referral paths and really increasing the market for hearing implants. And our growth over the last couple of years, or last several years, has been on the back of that strategy working, and that's our opportunity into the future, is to continue to raise awareness and drive long-run growth. But it's a very significant opportunity that we have to grow.
What is the impact from pharma companies like Eli Lilly with their hearing restoration, where they have trials in early stages?
Yeah, so there's a few trials of Butterfill, and it's a genetic solution for hearing loss for one particular genetic cause. That cause accounts for about 1 in 1,000 of the children who are potential cochlear implant candidates. So it's a terrific. Should it work, and it does look like it's going well, a terrific breakthrough from a genetic perspective, but in terms of impact on the overall levels of hearing loss, it will be very, very small. Most of the hearing loss that we now treat, which is in adults and seniors, is largely age-related, and that's a much more difficult cause to treat than a pure genetic hearing loss.
Dig, just following up on what Em was talking about, you benefiting certainly from this upgrade demand, but you have flagged that that could start to come off a bit once those upgrades are done. So what is likely to make up for that slowing demand to offset some of that in the future for your business?
Yeah, we aim to grow our revenue around 10% per year over the very long term. We've grown faster than that in the last few years. Now, part of that was early on was hospital capacity constraints coming out of COVID. Part of it was we have lifted our market share, so we've grown faster than the market on the back of Nucleus 8. And part of it was we saw a lift in the number of children getting implants, which was really to do with some local conditions and more a one-off. But the underlying growth and opportunity in adults and seniors has been pretty consistent over the last years, a good double-digit growth, and we do expect that to continue, and that really underpins our long-run growth as a sort of more age-related hearing loss, and with people living longer, with greater expectations for quality of life, and with greater awareness of the strong links between hearing loss and cognition as we age, we see an opportunity for demand to keep growing.